Hey there, it's Justin here from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a membership package type and how the pay what you want feature works. So let's go to booking pages, then click on products and services, then on add new service. Select membership on the drop-down menu here, and you can see PayPal is not supported on this, so make sure you have Stripe or Square. So for the title, let's say it's for a newsletter or anything you want, then add your description. Then down here is where you're going to input what the price is and choose the billing period, whether it's weekly, monthly, or annual that you're charging for. Here you can choose a billing cycle, so it's a monthly billing period, and a 12-month billing cycle. Click Save. Now here on the general settings page is where the pay what you want feature comes in. As you can see, there's this price suggestion checkbox here, so let's go ahead and check that. Then here it shows the allow pay what you want checkbox. This can work for tipping or if you're a nonprofit organization or even with events, memberships, and so forth. For example, you have a donation page, then this is definitely perfect for that as well. If you don't want to check this checkbox, you can add multiple price suggestions here where people can select however much they're willing to pay. And that's how the memberships and pay what you want features work. I hope that helps.